very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about different activity, right? Now project time management skills we discussed, right? Now today I would like to make you understand about soft skills time management skills, right? There are a lot of time management skills. I said like 34 as per our discussion already. Now 19 already discussed in core time management. Next 6 also we discussed in project time management skills. Now let me explain you with soft skills time management skills, and remaining is interpersonal skills time management skills also there, right? Now let me explain you soft skills time management skills. When you are using soft skills this type of way, we must follow this all skills in time management. If you are doing time management there, while using the soft skills, means according to the situation we have to show our skills, right? So there these are the skills we have to use. Now let me start with first one, goal focus. Always we have to focus on our goal. We have to, once we commit to one goal, that should be very important. And as I said already, goal setting, in that I said goal should be smart, and 4 D's, dedication, determination, deadline, these are should be very important, I said. So goals focus, once we set the goal, if you put any goal, means we have to focus on that always. That is very important in time, because this time management skill is very important. This is a very important factor. According to this time management only, we have to set a goal. In this goal settings only I said time bound should be very important. Here goal focus should be also very important, right? Now time awareness. Time awareness means each and everybody we should aware of our time. Means how important time is, and what are the things we have to finish within the time, what are the things we have to take some more time, that thing we have to understand. That important thing is time awareness. Time awareness means everybody should aware of our important timing. Time awareness means we have to aware of our time, that is important, okay? Our personal timing and our official timing, everything we have to aware. These 8 hours I have to work, we should aware of the time. With these 8 hours I have to sleep, we should aware of that time. And if that means we have to give priority, that, right? Now sense of urgency, same thing yesterday we discussed. Sense of urgency means there are a lot of different priorities are there. Since morning to evening, right, we do a lot of works, breakfast, lunch, dinner, office work, sleep and everything, phone calls, everything depends on that which one is urgent. That thing we have to do, means urgency works, more priorities or at most priorities. Now I have to do this call, very important, so regarding interview, so that is very important. So you need to focus on that first. At most priority is sense of urgency, right? Next one, work life balance. This is also very important. Maximum people we are not able to maintain the work life balance. So that's why they are getting pressure and tension, everything, because work time and life time. Here work life balance, in the term only we can easily understand. Work time, for example, if you take 8 hours, and a lifetime means any personal time, our family members, family, friends, enjoyments, this all our personal things, life balance. This both we have to manage. Some people they work for 8 hour job, means they work for 10 hours or 11 hours. Some people they may not work for 8 hours at least. So that is very important, means we have to give priority to family also, we have to give priority to work also. Both we have to do. Our work life balance should be very important. Then only we should not, or we won't get any misunderstandings in our personal life as well as official life, like work life. So both we have to maintain in a perfect way. Work life balance is very important for each and everyone, okay? There are some tips also there how to maintain work life balance also, I'll let you know. Now streamlining means we have to use in our work atmosphere, we have to use always simple methods to make to get the solution. Means we have to use very as simple as possible, right? We listen shortcuts, as simple as possible, and easy ways we have to find out to get the problem solved. So here easy steps are simple ways to make our work done we have to use that, and work should be efficient, work should be very clear, means whatever we do it should be very clear, right, and we have to give our best, and it should be within that time, very less time if you finish. If you use any shortcut or simple methods, if you take, okay, let me give an example, if you take any aptitude or anything, okay, if you take any aptitude, for example, let me give you one example, 55 into 55, if you multiply this 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 25 and 27, and this one again, now 2 rows will come and again you have to do, but here shortcut methods I said here, simple ways, if you do 5 into 5 25, right, if you take, and 5 into 5 25 or 6, if you take like this, for example, sorry, (45) into 45, 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20. ఎక్కడ మిస్ అవుతుంది, 5 5 is 50, 15 into 15, if you take 22 25, 15, 5 5 is 25, okay, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, 45 into 45, 5 5 is 25, 4 5 5 5 is 25, and 20 22, 4 5 is 20, 4 4 is 18, 55 into 55, అబ్బా ఇక్కడ చిన్నదాన్ని మిస్ అవుతుంది, let me give you clarity once. (55 into 55, 3025, 5 5 is 25, 5 5 25 plus 5 30, 4 5 5 is 25, 16 plus 4, 5 12 6, okay, okay, now repeat. Now if you take an example like 45 into 45, okay, we can just, if you multiply in directly, 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20 22, and 4 5 is 20, again 4 4 is 16 and 18, you have to do like this, right, 2025 if you take like this, right, but here if you go with a shortcut method, 45 into 45, 5 5 is 25, 4 into 5 20, this is shortcut, that is called streamlining. We can, by using these shortcuts, we can easily save the time and getting good result, accurate result is also there, and efficiency also there, and we can save time also. These are very streamlining skills are very important for making our work done within the short time. These are very important soft skills in time management skills. Work life balance and streamlining soft skills are very important. Now work life balance also, how to give priority to the work and life as well, right, in the same way, that is also very important. Now let me start with again, soft skills, time management skills are very important skills, project time management, core time management, soft skills time management, interpersonal skills time management, these 4 are very important time management skills. Goal focus, as we said already discussed, like goal settings, goal should be smart, and there once you put the goal, the time deadline should be very important, we have to always remember the time, and time awareness, everybody should aware of our important timing, and sense of urgency, priorities, lot of works are there, tasks are there, we have to just depends on urgency, we have to give priority to the first one before, right? Next, work life balance is work and life we have to both maintain in a different continuous balance, then only we can be very free and we can get success. If you do more work like 10 hours or 11 hours, but personal life we are not able to get that much attachment with our family or personal life, then we are not successful person, right? So here we have to just entertain or enjoy ourselves also personally, and we have to do the work also, like, so that's why every company they put 5 days work and 2 days like rest. We have to do the work, depends on the priority time, we have to do like 8 hours per day every day, 5 days we have to work, and 2 days life balance. We have to maintain our personal things, we have to just balance our life things also, families or personal issues, we have to just give priority. That is called work life balance. It is in our hand, we have to put the time according to our work. Okay. Next, streamlining is very important for making our works done within a short time and in easy ways. If you are doing one hard work, means one hard typical task within a short time and by using simple and shortcut methods, that is called streamlining. It is also very important for making a success, and our strategical thinking we have to follow. Okay, that is called soft skills, time management skills. Okay, this is the example for that, 45 into 45 or 55. These are aptitude and reasoning questions. If you go for any tests or something, we have to save our time and we have to use shortcut methods. That is called streamlining in the shortcut way. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.